What? You don't know? Okay. I'm about to leg you though. Last one. Hey, you don't even hear it. Coming through that motherfucker. Thunder is here. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. That's that pump shotgun. Breaking you in two. Slug up, slug coming through. Your A-frame. Cracking it in two. I don't play this. Blizzard this flow 96 blizzard. I'm a fucking blizzard this yo. Nothing to lose, Domo. Stuck in the blizzard with that fucking calico. I ain't playing with y'all niggas, I'ma fly. These shots dead at your motherfucking eye. Know why? It's snowing. December, the block going all the way in. I don't play no game like Tony and Click. I'm destined to win, nothing to lose. Boy, I gotta make the news. From the block for 2, 3, yeah, we get it in 2. Popping shots at the police, what we do. Ain't no ripping the city, do the shit we can do. We on top of the rooftop. 30-30s popping at the fucking cop. I ain't playing. Pull up in this circle, we spraying. Y'all ain't welcome around here. Nigga, this the mob land. On Gertrude gang, this Savannah Church. 23rd, nigga, we be flipping shit. Got rocket launchers. Bitch, nigga, we ain't doing nothing but controlling this rip. Matter of fact, we control the whole strip. The whole DMV, bitch, nigga, feel it. I don't give a fuck about no other nigga rip. Y'all ain't stacking stacks like us. Y'all ain't got no chips. I'm in the motherfucking Wild Wild West with a pistol cock back in the bulletproof vest. In the blizzard, something like a lizard. But y'all don't even know I'm that nigga. How I come up out the fucking snow, looking like a snow, a fucking angel, but I'm dark. You know how snow is so white. Y'all ain't ready for that motherfucking fight. Let's go. Matter of fact, toe to toe, God and Satan and Jesus, jump 'em, yo. I got his ass ill dog on the floor. Stomp his head in some more. Satan can't fuck with Frankie. I play no game. Got that motherfucking bank. CeeLo. Big bank take little bank. Frankie Lucifer, sit down. You stuck in the blizzard for 90 more centuries. I don't play no game, get with me. I'm the Don Domo. I will chafing your home and kill your ass calm, yo. Calm, so I will kill you calm. So smooth and slow. I'm on one. I got a gun. 38, Smith & Wesson. Let's have some fun. Let's get it. All y'all niggas better listen. I'm the Don Domo. Ain't no fucking kids tuition getting paid. Y'all disrespect them guns gon' spray. And ain't nobody kids going to college today, okay? I represent bloodshed. Block of 2, 3, nothing but head cracks, yeah. Face up in that ground. Ass up in the air. And your body going down. In that pit fire. Cause you can't sustain. Can't hold it again. Gave you the game, but you lost it, man. You can't even control the thing. So you gotta give it up. 357 shots to his back. Nigga, give me all my shit back. You whack. I tried to give you a motherfucking chance, but you got your shit taken, man. Bitch made nigga.